We got a leaking 6-gallon utility hot water tank here, Rheem from 2013, leaking everywhere. This is really, really interesting. So you have a braided steel hose behind the wall here. That's a 90. That's a 90. That's the braided steel hose behind the wall. It comes down. This is wild. And you got an angle stop right there. You got a 90. And it comes, this is just some hose. And then it tees off right here. Right? Half inch. Comes down. And then it goes in 3/4, half inch by 3/4 adapter or something. I don't know. And then you got the hot right here coming out. That is wild. That is absolutely kooky kachuki, whatever that means. This is wild. But I called Hirsch. They have one in stock. Bradford White's like $450. So we're gonna go grab it and replace this guy. Holy cow. Electric. Okay, let's go.
Next to my ring up.
Thank you. Alright, we got more water leaking on the floor, so that tells me something ain't working here. Let's make sure. Well, that turns off. Okay, so that does shut this off. So how do they have this freaking piped in here? I don't know how we're gonna drain this, Brantley. Let's see.
So doesn't have drain on the floor?
Nah. Well, I guess we can. Do we have a bucket anywhere? We're just gonna have to use buckets. I mean, it's only 6 gallons, you know. I'm gonna unthread all this right here. Is that, please tell, oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me? I got the wrong freaking size, bro.
You're doing
You gotta
Mickey Mouse.
Kidding me.
Why are you doing Mickey Mouse?
Ain't nothing Mickey Mouse here. The only thing Mickey Mouse is what you guys got.
What's that?
And I just got the wrong freaking sized.
No, this is Mickey Mouse. Look at that.
Yeah, I know. I've snaked this multiple times before. Look at this. A flex supply hose behind the wall.
That's custom.
That's...
With the custom filler.
Yeah, it's...
I'm just trying to drain.
I don't think so. It's not... It'll be fine. We can get this sucker out of here. Let's see. Can I see that? Can I see that real quick? Yeah, it's definitely... So is this this is the hot water to this side and the other side? It has to be because I have this wide open.
It looks like this is hot water side, right?
Right,
So
but what I'm saying is that it feeds the sink next door.
Oh,
Probably, huh?
probably.
Oh, there we go. That works. Here you go, Cyrus.
Where's the?
Oh, you did get a new one.
Yeah.
Where's the plug at?
There is no plug on these.
Like the drain, there isn't one.
Well, we could try this right here. I forgot about that. Let's try that. Here you go. Here, let's just unthread that right there. Alright. This is literally more difficult than a 40, 50 gallon. Try to take this plug off right here. See the plug?
Oh, yeah. I swear, I like this a lot better.
What, mine?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. And when this fills, we can just close this off. There you go. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man. It's crazy how this is all set up. Alright, well, it'll always be drained down. Okay, so the water heater comes with 2 dielectric nipples. So we got those in, giving them a drain port. We're gonna connect. I gotta take this Teflon tape off. I wasn't thinking, but we'll put the flex supplies on these. This is hot, cold inlet, hot outlet. So that's how we're gonna pipe this thing. Now, this, I'm just doing my best here to try and clean this nightmare up. We're gonna take this off, this whole thing off, and clean it up quite a bit here. So. Got the electricity off.
You could say that and it blows up.
Yeah. We're cleaning this up nicely. This is gonna look way better. We just gotta clean up this mess. Golly. Okay, we got this cleaned up. We're gonna put some units. We're gonna put it on Unistrut. So, 1/2 inch, 3/4. Got a ball valve on the cold water inlet. It's a little more proper than having this cheesy thing. And then I strapped. This was just flopping in the wind, so put a strap right here, nice and secure. A reducer, 1/2 inch to 3/4. Brent's got all the electrical. Yeah, I guess we can put that in now. I'm gonna set it on there. My gosh. Honestly, this took more brain power and effort because of how messed up all this was. Let's flip it this way. The drain port is gonna be. Wait! Don't try to keep those. I'm trying to keep those straight.
Oh, I got you. Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Make this look 1,000 times better than what we have. There you go. Oh, it has little legs on it, doesn't it?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it does, because I looked at the bottom of it. Here, pick it up real quick. Let's look at the bottom. I think it has little legs on it. Dang, I just wasted that Unistrut. Yeah, it does have little legs. Alright, we don't need this then. I forgot. It has little legs on it. Yeah, let's get that nice and straight. There you go. So we got the cold. So what we're gonna, okay. We can't hook this up yet until it's full of water. So let me
Well,
hook
the
all
power's
this.
off.
Yeah, but I just want to fill this real quick because it can burn out the element. Okay, it looks a little less crazy. It's definitely less confusing because you can see hot, cold, and you can see exactly where each one goes. So it's a heck of a lot less confusing. All right, let's turn the water back on. Yikes. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, so let's fill this. I don't see any leaks. You see any leakies, Brentley? I don't see any leaks. We just gotta add, we're gonna put an earthquake strap on here. Fortunately, there's wood behind this wall, so. Alright, you can hook that electricity up now if you want.
But
Brent's an electrician. Right? Kinda?
yeah, an Indian electrician.
Alright. Well, it's certainly more clear how this thing is piped. This is crazy. I hate this so much. I wish that wasn't like that, but whatever. It is what it is. That's how they had it. We're not here to repipe the whole thing. This is a 120 volt, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Get this nippy. Alright, I'm gonna start putting everything away. And then we'll run up to Sherman Oaks. Okay, there you go. Everything's hooked up. It's hot, nice and hot already. We only put one strap on it because the strap won't fit on the bottom part here, and on top of that we have nothing to hook it into. But this is plenty. This will be plenty. But that's it. I should have no issues for another 10 years or so. Nah, these probably. How long do these last? Probably
4 to 6.
4 to 6 years. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe they last longer because they're not getting the same kind of use. You know, I mean, it's only supplying 2 sinks, 2 hand sinks. So.
Yeah.
See, I look at this and it makes sense now. You can trace all the lines and it's just makes way more sense. But that sucker ain't moving.
It would probably last super long if you cleaned it out every year. The settlement?
Yeah, that's why I put that on there. So if they want to do that, but they're not going to do that, bro.
Yeah.
All right,